fasting, we are coming closer to God, right? We are coming closer to Heavenly Father. So why we fast, why we fast, we all know. When we are facing a lot of troubles, at that time we fast, right? And when we are confused in our life to take the right decision, we fast, right? To ask the right answer from God. Because we go here and there to that pastor, to that, we go here and there, right? When we are confused. So it's better we fast, right? So for that also, we fast. So we leave everything, our food, our favorite food, our favorite food. So during that is why we fast. And also to defeat the devil, right? To defeat the devil, the demonic forces that is working against our life, right? To defeat also, we fast. So to get healing also, when we are sick, to get healing also, there are different kinds of fasting.